Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation Level F at Islamabad Campus, and today I am going to share my review of the movie To Serve with Love. I watched this movie and found is very meaningful and educational. The story focus on a teacher who work with student and tries to help team become more responsible, respectful, and confident involves. One of the main lesson I learned from the movie is the importance of a good teacher. A teacher does not only teach subjects from books. A good teacher can also guide students understand their problems, manage them, and help them develop good grades. The movie show the that student can have different personalities, backgrounds, and challenges. Instead, for giving up on them, a teacher can show patience and help them discover their abilities. Another important lesson is respect. Respect between teacher and student create a better learning environment when people listen to each other and communication respectfully. They can understand one another better. I also learn about importance of discipline and responsibility, not only about getting good mark discussion and prepare for life. The movie also show how education can change people attitudes with proper guidance and encouragement. Student can become more confident and motivated. This reminded me that learning is a journey that help us grow both accidentally and personally. Another message I liked was the importance of self confidence. We should believe in our ability to learn and improve. Mistakes and difficulties should not stop us from typing to become better. Watching this movie also helped me think about my own learning journey. I realized that teachers and monitors can have a strong influence one on student, and a student should appreciate their greatness and sport. Recording the revive helped me improve my English speaking conversation procedures and public speaking skills. It also gave me an opportunity to organize my thought and share the lesson I learned from the movie. Overall, To Serve with Love was an inspiring and educational movie. The biggest lesson I learned is that education is not only about knowledge, it is also about create respect, responsibility, and become a better person. Thank you for watching my review. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation Level F at Islamabad Campus. See you next